I am so excited right now because the crypto mobile mining economy is taking a very good turn, because in the past 7 days I've been able to sell not one, not two, not three, but 1,400 Pi tokens. And with that move, I would like to explain how you can do your KYC on the B network, which is like a cousin to Pi. They are not related, but they are almost started at the same time, or they came after Pi. And that is why if you have been mining it and you have some balance on it, then I think it's best for you to literally just do your KYC, so that when this launches and if it's going to be anything real good, then you should partake inside of it, since you've been mining it right from time. If you take a look at my screen right here, these are what I've been doing so far with my Pi. So the migration from the browsing or the Pi mining app to the Pi browser or the Pi wallet happened all here. You can see all the data, about 1,244. Then it's got logged and the moving start happening. Okay, and on this day I sold 400 of it. Okay, I think I sold it at the rate of 0.18 cents per one. Okay, then I bought 200 from elsewhere, and also here I sold 100. Okay, and at this rate I sold it about 0.2, I think, so that about 20 cents per a token. So you can literally sell your Pi token. Now let's talk about how you can do your KYC for B token, because when it comes to KYC for B token, there's a lot of things to put into consideration, and some of them include how only 100,000 of KYC are being rolled out every month. And with over 27 million people mining B or registered on the B network, if all of them are going to register, then having 100,000 people register per week might not actually suffice for the next 1 year or thereabout. So now let's see how we can participate in this and get the best out of it. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you are wondering where you are, this is Sloo Reviews. Here I create content on how you can make money online and investment opportunity. Now let's get back to our business right there, which is B network. So right here, this is the B network, and if you want to just participate in the KYC, it's quite simple. You can literally just come to your profile below right here, and from your profile you can literally just click on here. This is it right here, KYC verification. But you know what, if I click on it, it's not going to give me that because it's not literally available right now. Okay, you can see next round is coming soon. So every week about 100,000 of this token or of the slot on KYC verification is released, and the fastest finger have to pick it, and that is how it works. Okay, but there are some things you can put in place so that you can literally position yourself to qualify for this, or to just get this done as soon as possible. These are very simple things that you can do, very simple steps you can carry out. Now to access that place, just go directly to your B mining network and go into your profile. For your profile, just click on this right here, event center right here. Once you click on it, you'll see a news right there, which is like a cheat sheet for us, and it says get your KYC qualification ASAP. Okay, let's click on that and let's see the content of that news. So right here it indicates that we should follow B network on Twitter, and also follow this one and retweet a tweet right there, give a description and thereabout. And these are the things you can follow to just get your KYC done on time. Okay, if you are following them on the social media platform, that shows that you believe in these projects and you are rooting for you are all out supporting them and giving them all the support they want, and that way you are a good community member. So you can do that, follow them on the social media platform. That is one. The second thing you have to do here is you have to bind your account. Bind it to your social media account. A good example is binding it to your Facebook, Twitter, your Discord, your Telegram. Then after that, you have to submit your ID card. It can be an international passport, an ID card, a driver license of your local current or country, and you can go ahead with that. Okay, the third thing is submit correct facial recognition information that matches your document. And number 4 is wait patiently for the system to verify your information, which usually takes 3 to 5 working days with a maximum of 14 days. And also a postscript to read here: always keep your B network app updated to avoid any potential KYC issue. Now that being said, let's see how we can bind our account with this social media account, so that our B account is social media account, such that if anything happens, we have multiple ways that we can recover our account, which says account security. If you click on this account security with the arrow right here, you see a whole lot of stuff right here. You can see the phone number. Even I myself haven't bind my phone number. Okay, it's not yet bound to this account, so I have to bind my phone number. I've done that for my email address. You can do that for your Facebook. You can do that for, okay, I've done that for my Facebook already. It's bounded to this account. You can do that for your Google account, your wallet, your Discord, Telegram, and Twitter. Now, you have to do at least 2 to 3 out of this. Once you do that, that is like some layer of security for your account. Okay, it shows that okay, you are really serious with this thing, with this development of this project, and that's where you can qualify for this easily. And also every week or probably every day, since this is a 24-hour program, meaning you have to click on the button, and after 24 hours you have to click on it again to show that you are committed to this, and you can get your daily 24 hours reward. So whichever time you come into this app, this is what I'm suggesting. Once you click on the button to start mining for the next 24 hours, you can just go ahead and check the KYC option to see if the KYC is available for you. Okay, but before you do that, you must have done the prerequisite thing which we mentioned, and that is securing your account by binding some of the social media accounts you have with your B account, and also by following B official platform on Twitter and also retweeting a tweet. Ladies and gentlemen, that's basically all you have to do to just prepare yourself and get yourself ready for this. And hey, just in case you are new to all these mobile mining jargons, if you are new to it, then that's pretty simple. Just check the word on the screen right here. That's my channel name, Sloo Reviews. You can use that to mine your Pi and your B and so many other tokens out there that I am mining. Just check the description of this video and you do get a link or get a description or get a direction to all the coin I'm mining, and you can join this and partake in this and mine some for yourself. So for the past 7 days or thereabout, I've been able to make about $288 from free mining. Okay, it's as simple as that. If this is something you want to try out, because there is no guarantee in this, and of course it does not require any investment. Okay, so you can literally just install it on your phone and you can click on it every 24 hours. Thank you guys for staying through to the end of this video. Do you get any good information from this video? If yes, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get notified whichever time I create new content. And also do not forget to share this with your loved ones so they can be notified on how they can go around doing the KYC for B network, for Pi network, and they can put themselves in line to just get any reward that might come their way. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.